Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about an issue that I think I might be having with my Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this is something that I've also seen online, a couple other people posting about with other S24s as well, from the regular S24 to the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra. And that is fast charging 2.0. Now the S24 only charges at 25 watts, where the Plus and the Ultra can go up to 45 watts. And I had my phone yesterday or over the weekend down to about 15%, and I plugged it in, and I was using a compatible 45 watt super fast charge 2.0 charger from Anker. I have a couple different ones. I have a battery as well that supports fast charge 2.0, and I noticed that it would start out charging at 45 watts, and then after about 10 to 15 minutes it would drop down to about 30 watts, and then after about 15 to 20 minutes it would be about 15 watts. And I noticed that if I turned my phone, put it to sleep like that, I wasn't using it, whatever, it would come back up a little bit, maybe back to 30 watts, and then it wouldn't really ever go back to 45 watts, but it would speed up to about 30 watts again, which I thought was quite weird. I didn't know if it was a temperature issue or what is going on, because it doesn't charge at that speed long enough to even get the battery up to like 50%. Some people were saying that it was, it was slowing down because the battery was getting full, but I've tried this at different battery charge percentages, and it doesn't seem to be affected by the battery percentage. It seems to be more affected by how long it's been charging, and like I said, it lasts about 5 to 10, sometimes 15 minutes at super fast charge 2.0 speeds of 45 watts, and then after that it starts to drop off. I've had it drop off to 15 watts, 10 watts, even down to like 7 or 8 watts when I'm using the phone, which, I don't know why you'd have a fast charge feature like that if it's only going to be able to handle it for less than 20 minutes. You're not going to get your phone charged up that quick. The phone does estimate that it would charge fully in about an hour, but when the speed starts slowing down, the time remains about an hour, even after about 20 to 25, 30 minutes. So in overall, charging time, when it says it's going to be at 15%, when it says it's going to charge fully in an hour, it ends up being an hour and 20, hour and 30 minutes. And other people also have said they are having this issue where they notice that it is slowing down significantly, even when it says that it is charging at fast charge 2.0, which again for the S24 Ultra should be 45 watts. I've tried this with different cables, with different chargers. It is not an issue with one of those. I have a bunch of Anker cables that support up to 240 watts, so they can handle the 45 watts no issue whatsoever. I have some other USB-C cables from other brands. I have one of the ones that has the little LCD on it, on the plug, that shows you the charging speed. And like I said, I have an Anker Prime power bank that supports fast charge 2.0, as well as a couple other USB-C hubs that support fast charge 2.0 or super fast charge 2.0, and they all do the same thing. They all last about the same amount of time before the speeds start dropping down. So if you guys are having this issue, let me know in the comments below how your charging speeds are and what seems to be affecting yours. I'm Colin with Techout. Over to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.